So in this demo, we're doing a price history on the product page using metafields and Metaobjects. So jumping right into the theme code. So this is the theme code that is going to output this, just looping over the metafield that we've created, which is a reference to a Metaobject. And then it'll show like this. And you can obviously make this look a little prettier. But here is how it works. So let me go to the Metaobject. Let me go to the Metaobject description here. So the Metaobject is a price point in time. So you've got a date and a price on that. And then when we go to the product meta field, which is a reference to that, it is a list of entries which are referencing that Metaobject. All right. So then when we look at a product page, here's what that'll actually look like. Here in the meta fields, we've got a price history, and then it's referencing these different price points in time. And this is a sort of a simplified demo. We're just doing a single price on the product. Whereas if you probably want to support variants in this, you probably want the meta field on the variant as opposed to the product. So we covered the metafield definitions. We looked at the theme code. Here is the workflow, and triggering on product updated. We're querying the previous value of the price, and we're checking to see if the new value is different from it. You could also compare that on the metafield itself, but it's a little easier to just use data, so I did that. But you could compare it on the previous metafield value. That'd probably be the way to do it. And then we're saving the current value. And a little bit of custom code, just so we don't currently have support. We should be adding some standard actions for these steps soon. So this is creating the price point meta object entry. Oh, whoopsie. I've got my hard-coded price in there. That's not good at all. So this will be fixed by the time you download the demo. And then we are going to add that to the meta. The meta field is an array of objects, of those price point objects. So we're just taking the new price point that we just created and we're putting it at the beginning of that list of objects. So basically it's just adding it to the top of that list. And then we are setting the value there. So that's pretty much it. And this is this is a subsequent run. It's not gonna save it if the price doesn't change, but this is what a successful run would look like. So as usual, you can find these on the automation demo section of the site. You've got the meta object definition there, the theme code, and the workflow. So if you need any help setting that up, feel free to let us know. Thanks.